On these cold winter days, I thought I would show you how to make a cup of tea. In order to make a cup of tea, you need a few things. You need a tea kettle, you need a tea bag, you need a cup, and you need a timer. The first thing that you do is you heat up your water in your tea kettle. Then you take your tea bag and put it in your teacup. You pour the water over the tea bag in your teacup and you let it steep for 5 minutes. After the 5 minutes, you have a nice cup of tea to enjoy on these cold winter days.